Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, August 11th. This is David, and let's start with the S&P 500. We've spent pretty much all week below this 4518 Voodoo snow line, right? So these Voodoo lines combine Elliott wave and Fibonacci analysis into long-term levels that we can use. And look, we tried to get above that level here Monday and ran out of gas. We also bumped into it and a little above yesterday, but again were rejected. So look, so long as we stay below, the focus may be on the downside, but in order to show that price is moving away from that snow line, the Voodoo Lines roadmap would say that we want to see price get and find resistance below the next degree level below that. That's the 44.54 and 54-cent skyline. We gapped down ever so slightly below it here today, but quickly recovered. Tested it several times for the market to make sure that it wanted to stay above, and that's what we did into the end of the day. So going into next week, breaking down below and working its way lower beneath these levels is what we need to see for the bear side. Getting above more than just a little spike and finding support above is what bulls need to take control. And in the premium video, we'll take a look at some clues to maybe help us anticipate which we'll see next. But right in here, it is sloppy, and there are several possibilities. The one other thing to come in and take a look at before we wrap up is Apple. Very similar sort of thing. We started the week crashing below the all-important Voodoo Fire line. And while we did test it several times here through the week, we couldn't get back above. Pressure is on the downside so long as price stays below, but for the time being, it's still managed to not really break down below that level, and it would take a break of 176 and 88 cents and staying below to keep the focus on ongoing downside here in this most heavily weighted name within the S&P 500. So I'm going to carry those levels over into next week. And we'll see how price acts with respect to them. And I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.